In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Slack account online for 2026. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or laptop and head to the official Slack website at slack.com. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct website before entering any login information, just to keep your account secure and avoid unofficial pages. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. This will take you to the Login page, where Slack gives you a few different ways to access your account. At this point, choose the sign in method that works best for you. You may be able to sign in using your email address and password, or by continuing with Google or Apple, depending on how your account or workplace is set up. If you normally use one of those faster sign in options, just select it and follow the prompts on screen to continue. If you're signing in with email, enter your work email address in the field provided, then click continue. Be sure to use the same email connected to your Slack workspace, since using a different one may take you to the wrong account or prevent you from signing in. Next, enter your password in the password field and click Sign In. As you type, take a quick moment to make sure everything is entered correctly, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, symbols, or numbers. If your browser offers to save your login details, only do that on a personal or trusted device. In some cases, your workspace may have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. If that happens, Slack will ask you for a verification code. Check your phone or your authenticator app, retrieve the code, and enter it on the screen. This step helps protect your account, especially if you're signing in from a new device or location. After the verification is accepted, you'll be taken directly into your Slack workspace. From there, you're ready to start messaging, check channels, respond to teammates, and continue your work as usual. And that's all you need to know to access your Slack account online. As a final tip, if you ever have trouble signing in, double check your email address, password, and sign in method before trying again. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.